Yeah, Sport 3 is nice. Oh man, it's just a great time. Everybody should experience this. I can't say it enough. I mean, I'm 66. I'll be 67 in March, and I'm just getting back into this, and I'm really enjoying it. And I can't imagine anybody who wouldn't like doing this. So if you're out there, if you feel like having a good time, get yourself a bike and do your thing. If it's a scooter, fine. I started out with a scooter just a few months ago. I had it for like 2 weeks, and then I decided, well, this just isn't enough bike. So hey guys, so I moved up to this bad boy, and I'm just enjoying the hell out of it. And as long as there are days like this, I don't think it's going to matter if it's cold. I'm going to be here and riding on these roads.